Hey everyone, today I need to talk about a heart-wrenching tragedy unfolding in Gaza. Israeli airstrikes have killed at least 33 people, including 21 women, in a refugee camp in northern Gaza. Hamas-run authorities say that more than 85 people have been injured, some seriously. Homes belonging to 3 families in the camp were hit. Now there's a video circulating on social media that appears to show bodies wrapped in white shrouds laid out in the courtyard of Al-Auda Hospital. Remember, the BBC hasn't verified this footage, but it gives us a glimpse into the horror on the ground. Al-Auda Hospital is overwhelmed. The director said wards are completely full, with many injured receiving treatment on the floor. Nearby in Beit Lahia, the Indonesian hospital came under heavy gunfire from Israeli forces. The health ministry run by Hamas said over 40 patients and medical staff were inside. Tragically, 2 people died due to an electricity outage and lack of medical supplies. The Israel Defense Forces claim their troops were operating near the hospital and deny intentionally firing at it. But local sources report that northern Gaza is effectively isolated. Telecommunications and internet services have been severed. Roughly 400,000 people are trapped inside Jabalia camp with little food or water for over 2 weeks. Georgios Petropoulos, head of the UN's Office for Humanitarian Assistance, described the conditions in Jabalia as atrocious. He said, "We can't hit the alarm bell hard enough about how dire and dangerous the situation for civilians there is." Israel claims it sent about 30 lorries of supplies into northern Gaza on Friday, but local health officials dispute this, saying aid hasn't reached the worst affected areas like Jabalia. The U.S. has urged Israel to boost access to aid or risk losing some American military assistance. On another note, Israel confirmed that Hamas leader Yahya Sinwar was killed in Gaza on Thursday. He died in a firefight after Israeli tank fire struck the building he was hiding in. An Israeli pathologist reported he had been shot in the head, with additional injuries from missile fire, fallen masonry, and shrapnel. Sinwar's death has sparked mixed reactions. Some hope it might bring an end to the war, but Hamas's deputy leader insists the group will only be strengthened. U.S. President Joe Biden mentioned the possibility of a ceasefire in Lebanon, but said it would be harder in Gaza. Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, stated that Sinwar's death will not halt the Axis of Resistance, a regional network of Iran-backed militias opposing Israel. Hamas deputy leader Khalil al-Hayya reiterated that Israeli hostages wouldn't be returned until Israel ends the war and withdraws from Gaza. This war began after Hamas's attack on Israel on October 7, 2023, which left around 1,200 people dead and 251 taken hostage. Israel vowed to destroy Hamas in retaliation. Since then, at least 42,500 people have been killed and tens of thousands injured in Gaza, according to Hamas-run authorities. That's the latest update for now. It's a devastating situation that continues to unfold. Please follow and subscribe for more updates. We're on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Take care, everyone.